Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the step and the ramp functions. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look on the graph, we see that we have the step in negative and the step in the positive. So in this one, we just use only step unit. So we start at t equals to negative number 2. We see that at t equals to negative number 2, we have negative number 1. So the graph of this one should be like this. This one is about ut. This one is about negative u. And we have t minus number 2 in here. Oh, sorry, positive number 2. Because when t equals to negative number 2, they start at the step unit. But we have the negative. That means they will go down in negative number 1. So we have negative u t plus 2. At t equal to number 0, from negative number 1, they will jump to positive number 1. That means we have ut in here. So, to minus about negative number 1, we need to add about 2 ut. So, 2 ut that should be in here. So, number 2 plus negative number 1, you got about positive number 1. That's why we have positive number 1 in here. Later that, they go back to number 0. That means we need to minus about another step function at t equals to positive number 2. That's about t minus number 2. So that they want go down to 1 unit. Go in here. When we sum 2 minus 1 with another negative number 1 in here. And you got about 0 in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.